everyone, welcome back to my channel. Wow, Congress rocks. They actually had a vote today. They voted to extend the unemployment boost for a whole 7 days. That's right, a whole 7 days of more unemployment pay. Oh, but wait, that failed. The vote didn't pass. No surprise, what's one extra week going to do anyway, right? So, in my opinion, what a bunch of procrastinating losers. I don't care what side you're on, somebody needs to get in there and lock these people in a room. You know, when someone is getting tried in court, the jury goes into a locked room to deliberate, right? Like, what the heck? Maybe that's a good idea for the Congress to do. Because guess what? Verdicts don't wait and see. There's an appeals process if there was a mistake that had happened in there. So, but yeah, just make a freaking decision. It's literally like a 4-year-old sitting on the only toilet in the house thinking about going to the bathroom while other people are suffering, just waiting for them to finish up. It's the perfect example of Congress. Do your business or get off the pot. I mean, seriously, let's pass a bill that'll last 7 days? Like, you guys are nuts. That's like my 4-year-old if he finally finished doing his business on the potty and only partially wiped and didn't actually get the job done. That's certainly how they make all of the heroes feel they've forgotten, or the people on food stamps they've forgotten, or the essential workers risking their lives. At this point, we all just need to file a collective lawsuit, a class action against the incompetent government we have. Oh, but wait, it gets better. 4 random Republicans decided to come up with their own bill, and instead of $1,200 for filers and $500 for dependents, everyone gets $1,000. You get $1,000, just $1,000. Like, seriously, that's not even the problem right now. People can't pay rent. People can't buy food. Americans are getting shafted, and this is literally brain dead. I thought we had already had consensus on the $1,200 stimulus checks. Everyone in Congress seemed on board. Now, out of nowhere, oh wait, let's go back and fix what we already agreed on. Like, what? I mean, the $1,200 was a slap in the face to begin with, but seriously, like, now a new bill to make it $1,000 for filers and $1,000 for dependents, so basically less for people with less than 2 dependents, like, that's absolutely nuts. I got a new drinking game, guys. Every day Congress doesn't pass something, take a shot. It's gonna be a great, fun game. At this point, we should get retroactive stimulus checks until this is over, because you know what? There's literally nothing worse in this country than being stuck in a paycheck to paycheck trap. And then a pandemic swooping in to take our jobs, then Congress coming to bankrupt you, then your landlord coming to put you on the street. Like, I don't know what to think. Like, this is insane. There you have it. That's what we have. Congratulations, America. That's a great, great example. Hopefully tomorrow we can actually see some real progress though. As usual, the most progress in Congress gets done in the 11th hour. Well, that's in about 12 hours, so get to it, will ya? Like, come on, let's get the ball rolling. I've got to get back to my mommy vlogs. I want to be showing you my life because this is just a dysfunctional nightmare and I'm really pissed. Although that's not news. Congress, you just plain outright suck. P.S. Sorry for my poop analogies. I may or may not be having some projecting happening with some mommy frustration regarding my 4-year-old and pooping. But anyway, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.